Discover fascinating and unexpected culinary facts as we explore unique habits, dishes, and traditions from around the world. Let's dive into 100 intriguing food facts. Fugu is a Japanese delicacy prepared from pufferfish that can be deadly if not cooked correctly due to its toxic organs. Durian is known as the king of fruits and is infamous for its strong odor that divides opinions. Hákarl is a traditional Icelandic dish made from fermented shark, known for its strong ammonia smell and unique taste. Rocky Mountain oysters are bull testicles, often deep-fried and served as a delicacy in the U.S. Century egg is a preserved egg that turns dark green or black and has a strong flavor. Eskimos are ant larvae, often called insect caviar, and are considered a delicacy in Mexico. Sannakji is a Korean dish featuring live octopus that is cut into pieces and served immediately, still wriggling. Fruit cake is often humorously regarded as a joke gift due to its dense texture and long shelf life. Cuy is roasted guinea pig, a delicacy in Peru, often served whole for special occasions. Black ivory coffee is made by feeding coffee beans to elephants, which are collected from their dung. Surströmming is Swedish fermented herring known for its pungent smell, often eaten outdoors. Muktuk is a traditional Inuit dish made from whale skin and blubber, served raw or pickled. Chocolate-covered crickets and other insects are considered a delicacy in many cultures. Blood sausage is made from blood, often pigs, mixed with fat and grain, popular in various cuisines. Fried tarantulas are a popular street food in Cambodia, seasoned and crunchy. Civet coffee is made using coffee beans that have passed through a civet's digestive system. Tuna eyeballs are sold in Japanese markets and can be prepared as a delicacy, often boiled or steamed. In some regions, ketchup is used as a topping for fruit, particularly in certain fruit salads. Witchetty grub is a traditional Australian food, a large white larva eaten raw or cooked. Jello salad is a bizarre dish in the US where vegetables or fruits are suspended in gelatin. Pickled pig's feet are a traditional southern US delicacy, often served as a snack or appetizer. Deep-fried butter is a novelty food item often found at fairs, coated in batter and fried until crispy. Chitlins, or chitlins, are pig intestines, traditionally eaten in southern U.S. cuisine. Kumquats can be eaten whole, including the peel, and have a sweet exterior with a sour interior. Octopus ice cream, a specialty in some parts of Japan, combines traditional ice cream with octopus flavor. Sea cucumbers are marine animals that are eaten in many Asian cuisines, often valued for their texture. Roasted grasshoppers, known as chapulines, are a popular snack in Oaxaca, Mexico. Spam musubi is a Hawaiian sushi-like dish made with rice and a slice of spam, often wrapped in seaweed. Frog legs are a delicacy in French cuisine, known for their tender meat and often compared to chicken. Beef tongue is considered a delicacy in many cultures, often braised or pickled for flavor. Currywurst is a German fast food dish consisting of steamed and fried pork sausage topped with curry ketchup. Salo is a traditional Ukrainian dish of cured slabs of pork fat, often served with rye bread. In some cultures, stink bugs are consumed for their unique flavor, often used in sauces or snacks. Natto is fermented soybeans with a strong smell and sticky texture, often eaten for breakfast in Japan. Combining chocolate with chili peppers creates a sweet and spicy treat, popular in many cultures. Fish sauce, a staple in Southeast Asian cooking, is made from fermented fish and adds umami flavor to dishes. Steak tartare is a dish made from finely chopped raw beef, often seasoned and served with egg yolk. Squid ink pasta is a visually striking dish made with ink from squid, often served with seafood. The bacon sundae combines ice cream with crispy bacon, chocolate sauce, and caramel, creating a sweet savory treat. These donuts combine sweet maple glaze with crispy bacon for a unique breakfast experience. Some gourmet chefs create cocoa-covered olives as a sweet savory snack, combining unusual flavors. Cheese tea is a trendy beverage that features a creamy cheese foam topping on sweetened tea. Pigeon pie is a traditional dish in some cultures, made with pigeon meat and often served at special occasions. Salty licorice is a popular candy in Scandinavia, flavored with ammonium chloride for a unique taste. Black garlic is fermented garlic that becomes sweet and tangy, often used as a flavor enhancer in dishes. A deep-fried Mars bar is a Scottish novelty food, battered and fried for a crispy coating. Marmite is a yeast extract spread in the UK, known for its strong flavor that people either love or hate. Some cultures make donuts filled with cheese, combining sweetness with a savory twist. Coconut worms are larvae found in coconuts, eaten raw or cooked in many Southeast Asian countries. Ant egg soup is a delicacy in some parts of Thailand, featuring ant larvae in a savory broth. Banana ketchup is a Filipino condiment made from mashed bananas, sugar, vinegar, and spices. Rattlesnake meat is consumed in some parts of the U.S., often grilled or fried. The trend of pumpkin spice flavors extends beyond lattes to include chips, cookies, and even beer. Coconut water, often enjoyed fresh from the fruit, is known for its hydrating properties and unique taste. Kale chips are made by baking kale leaves until crispy, often seasoned with various flavors. Ostrich eggs are massive, equivalent to about 24 chicken eggs, and can be cooked in various ways. Dandelion greens are edible and often used in salads or cooked as a vegetable, valued for their bitterness. Yuk ho is a Korean dish made from raw beef, seasoned with soy sauce, sesame oil, and served with egg yolk. Fried ice cream involves coating ice cream in batter and frying it, creating a warm outer layer with cold inside. Camel milk is consumed in many cultures and is known for its nutritional benefits and unique flavor. In some markets, scorpions are deep-fried and served on skewers as a crunchy snack. Puffed rice is a common snack food, made by heating rice grains until they expand, often used in cereals and bars. Seaweed snacks are popular in many countries, often seasoned and roasted for a crunchy, salty treat. Bitter melon is a vegetable known for its intense bitterness, often used in Asian cuisines for its health benefits. Fiddlehead ferns are young, coiled ferns that are edible and often cooked in various dishes. Cabbage juice is consumed for its health benefits, especially in detox diets. Black pudding is a type of blood sausage made from pig's blood, often eaten in breakfast dishes. This dessert combines avocado with cocoa powder for a creamy, healthy alternative to traditional mousse. Pickled garlic is a tangy snack that can also be used to enhance the flavor of dishes. Fried spiders are a delicacy in Cambodia, typically prepared by deep-frying tarantulas. Rice paper rolls are made from thin rice paper and often filled with fresh vegetables and proteins. Nasturtium leaves are edible flowers known for their peppery flavor, often used in salads. Bacon-wrapped dates combine sweet and savory flavors, often served as appetizers. Rhubarb pie is a traditional dessert made from tart rhubarb stalks, often sweetened with sugar. Caramelized fermented garlic is used in gourmet cooking for its sweet, tangy flavor. Soursop is a tropical fruit known for its unique flavor, often used in smoothies and desserts. Garlic ice cream is a novelty dessert that combines sweet and savory flavors in a unique way. Tom yum soup is a spicy Thai soup featuring shrimp, herbs, and a strong sour flavor. Sweet potato pie is a traditional dessert in southern U.S. cuisine, often spiced with cinnamon and nutmeg. Corn pudding is a dish made from corn, eggs, and milk, often served as a side dish in southern cooking. Hushpuppies are deep-fried cornmeal balls, commonly served as a side dish in southern U.S. cuisine. This burger features peanut butter and bacon, combining savory and sweet flavors. Marzipan is a sweet almond paste often shaped into fruits and used in desserts. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles, are a low-carb alternative to pasta made from spiralized zucchini. Cactus salad is a dish made from nopales, the petals of the prickly pear cactus, often dressed with lime and spices. Chili chocolate cake combines the heat of chili peppers with the richness of chocolate for a unique dessert. Pineapple pizza is a controversial topping that combines sweet pineapple with savory ham. Pumpkin seed butter is a nut-free alternative to peanut butter, made from ground pumpkin seeds. S'mores are a campfire treat made from marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers, toasted to perfection. Savory oatmeal includes toppings like eggs, cheese, or vegetables, providing a hearty breakfast option. Chocolate-covered bacon is a sweet savory snack combining crispy bacon with rich chocolate. Tomato ice cream is a unique dessert that incorporates fresh tomatoes for a refreshing treat. The pumpkin spice latte is a seasonal drink that combines coffee, milk, and pumpkin spice flavors. Carrot cake is a sweet dessert made with grated carrots, often topped with cream cheese frosting. Green tea ice cream is a popular dessert in Japan, made with matcha for a unique flavor. Stuffed peppers are bell peppers filled with a mixture of meat, rice, and spices, baked until tender. Spaghetti tacos are a quirky fusion dish that combines spaghetti with taco shells for a playful meal. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien. We invite you to visit us at infozillien.com for more videos, worksheets, and flashcards.